Alright, this will be a very quick video because it's kind of simple to explain. Quadratic equations. So what we talked about in the last video was really over here, where you see how your term t in this particular situation is squared. So we know that it's quadratic because we have something that is squared. Now, building the equation is a little different. So anytime we're talking about quadratics, because we're talking about parabola, something that goes like this, usually we're talking about maybe a price, maybe like prices, because it could go like this. So maybe my price started high and went down, or maybe a temperature. But most of the time, especially as we're starting or beginning talking about quadratics, we're talking about somebody throwing something up in the air. So keep that in mind. So whatever's right here, the number that does not have a variable is usually your starting point. So this is usually your starting point, starting number, whatever. This is your constant. This is what we're starting at. This part right here, plus 100t. Let's imagine we're throwing a ball up in the air. This would be my speed. Okay? So this is how fast we're throwing it up in the air. Now, negative 16t squared, that's gravity. Okay? Gravity never changes. Anytime you have a situation where you are talking about gravity, you are always going to say negative 16 whatever squared. Okay? Gravity. Anytime you see it, this particular part right here, that's gravity. Okay? Whatever this number is, that's how fast we're throwing it up. So let's say we're starting at 50 feet in the air. Why? I don't know. Maybe we're on a platform. We're starting at 50 feet. Starting at 50 feet in the air. We're throwing the ball up 100 feet per second or whatever. And when it comes down, it's going to drop 16 feet, and that's my gravity, whatever. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? That's pretty much it. Also, I did want to show you this. All right, so I also want to show you what the points are on the graph. So we have 3 different points that are really important. Right here, and right here. These are called your zeros. Now, usually we call them x-intercepts. But when we're talking about quadratics, you could hear them called zeros. That's just where the y-intercept, where the y value is 0. That's it. So these are your zeros or your x-intercepts. This right here is your vertex. Later on, you're going to find how to find the vertex, but we're not there yet. So your vertex, and it's not just for parabolas that are going up, it's also for parabolas that are going down. So your vertex would be right here for this one. That would be your vertex. This would be your vertex. Type, I'm about to say a type. Okay, that's pretty much it. Yeah.